All right, we are going to continue multiplying polynomials. And so here, remember if you have something squared, that's like 3 squared is 3 times 3. So it's whatever's being squared times itself. 4 squared is 4 times 4. Okay, x squared is x times x. So here, this is being squared. So it's 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. When we're multiplying two binomials, we can use the distributive property or the box. So we have 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. So I get 4x squared. 2 times 2 is 4, x and x is x squared. Then I take the 2 times 3, gives me 6, and then the x. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 3, 9. These in the middle are like terms. So I have 4x squared, 6 plus 6 is 12x, plus 9. Standard form, highest degree to lowest. Okay, here, again, I can use my box method. So I get 3x minus 6, 3x plus 6. 3 times 3 is 9x squared. 3x times negative 6 is negative 18x. 6 times 3x is 18x. And negative 36. Okay, again, these are my like terms. Most of the time they'll be across from each other. The 9x squared does not have 1. 18 minus 18 is 0, so that cancels out. Minus 36. And so that's complete there. Okay, so perimeter, add up all the sides. Length is, area is length times width. So here is our term. So over here I could think that this is x plus 4 also. This is 3x plus 2. So the perimeter, I'm going to add up all the outer sides. So I have 3x plus 2. And you have to know when I say perimeter what to do. X plus 4, x plus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 8 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. So 8x plus 12 is my perimeter. Okay, area is length times the width. Length times the width, or width times the length, either way there, okay? So again, I'm going to have area equals 3x plus 2 times x plus 4. Binomial times a binomial, we'll use our box. We get 3x plus 2, x plus 4. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 12x, 8. So I get 3x squared. These two are like terms. So that gives me 14x plus 8. And that is my area. Okay.